In this video I'm going to talk about eBay Pulse. Now eBay Pulse tells you all sorts of information about hot selling items on eBay. So if you have an eBay site or if you're an eBay seller, you can find out what people are looking for and what is selling, and it's a very powerful tool. To get to eBay Pulse, you come here to this website pulse.ebay.com. And this is for the main US site. There are other variants as well. For example, in the UK there's pulse.ebay.co.uk. But for this demonstration I'm going to be sticking to the main US website. When you come to the site, you'll notice several things. First of all, and probably the most important one, is the popular searches. This tells you what people are looking for on eBay. When they go to eBay and they do a search, this is what's being typed in most often. And let's just take a look at the most popular search at the time that I'm recording this video, which is Nintendo DS. If I click on that link, you can see it tells you a whole lot of information about what's being searched for. You see it says Nintendo DS, and it tells you most popular thing, what the buy new price is. It tells you there are currently 67 new Nintendo DS Lite Onyx Black handheld systems, and they start at $89.49, 12 refurbished, 302 used, and when the next auction ends. And also it tells you that there are 382 items available from all the sellers, and if you want you can click here to see all of the listings. So this gives you an idea as to what the competition is going to be if you decide that you're going to sell a Nintendo DS Lite Onyx Black handheld system. And you can see some of the other versions of Nintendo DS, and they're ranked in order of popularity. Okay, let's just go back to the eBay Pulse main site because I'll show you some of the other things. It tells you the largest stores. For example, here Buys Internet Superstore is the largest one at the time that I'm recording this video. So you can then click here and there you go, that takes you to this eBay store. So you can check out your competition and see what's being sold and how they're selling it and what price they're selling it for. Let's go back again. You also have the most watched items down here at the bottom. You can see what people are watching but haven't bought yet. So this gives you a good idea as to the sort of activity that's going on eBay. You can also look at things by categories. So for example, we click here on this drop down menu, you can then choose a category to look into. See, there's a whole lot of different ones here. So let's say you wanted to look at dolls and bears. Click there to update it. You can see that in the category dolls and bears, most popular searches are for American Girl. The largest store is the Closing Our Dollhouse Miniature Shop, and that the most watched items are down here. So if you were thinking about setting up an eBay store in this category, you would have a good idea as to what people are looking for, so you'd know what to stock. You'd be able to tell what your competitors are and what they're doing, and also what people are looking for and what they're watching on eBay. So it's a very, very powerful tool, and all this information is provided free by eBay, and it's pulse.ebay.com.